Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be checking the mileage of the Continental GT 650. Right now I'm not low on fuel, but I need to fill up. So with that we can just check how much mileage we are getting of this bike. Now I know an estimate number that how much it gives, because I always, whenever I do a full tank, I reset my the odometer, and I keep checking. But yeah, let's do it on camera. I hope I get good mileage, so let's go. So I fill up from the same petrol pump all the time, the Indian Oil. It is very close to my home. So okay, that's an accident. Yep, that's an accident. I need to take a detour now. It'll be a minor accident, Let's hope it's a minor. Yeah, actually it's nothing. A very small scratch has come, but yeah, you know how we Indian react. So let's go. Fill up fuel. फुल टैंक कर दीजिए. हाँ, फुल टैंक. So yeah, just filled full tank. Let me just reset my odometer. Trip B is what I keep for my fuel, so that's 0, and trip A for my day, and that's also 0. Done. 0. So this bike is stock. It is running on stock air filter, stock exhaust. There's practically no change for the engine or power. So let's find out how much is giving a mileage. And later on, when I'm going to shift to a BM's air filter and most probably good Savok exhaust. So that also you can check with those two how much it's giving. And I want to also tell you guys, I'm extremely sorry. The videos have become a bit late, and it's been only weekly once a video, because actually it's summer holidays. It's summer vacation for me, so I had gone to my hometown, and whatever videos have been uploaded till now were all previous recorded and put on a schedule. So now I'm back. So I hope I keep up the consistency of uploading 2 videos a week. I know the views have reduced and even the subscriber count has reduced, but I'm extremely grateful. 219 subscribers, it's not a small amount, and 50 of those are my friends, and I'm very extremely grateful for them as well. Abhishek, Ganesh, Tushar, Vedanshu, they keep supporting me, and also they keep sending me different videos on what to make. Sometimes I get confused in what videos to make. Sometimes I hit a wall, so they keep sending me videos and all. And guys, I also wanted to know, at a certain point I'm going to hit a wall with this bike particular videos, right? So what else y'all want? I can also make videos on other bikes. I can make videos like on Triumph for the Harley Davidson 450X, the Bullet, or different bikes. I can make I can keep making videos on that. I can keep comparison videos, so whatever y'all prefer, so I can make on that. So let me know what videos you'll want, what kind of videos you want, because I'm into bikes and cars and all, so I can make videos on bikes, cars and all of them, give you all information. And also I can make videos on how things work on a bike, the electricals, the mechanical stuff and all. I have a pretty good knowledge on them, so yeah, I can make videos on them as well. So let me know in the comments. And also I will be making more videos on this bike, especially like I'll be making a video on tips and tricks on how to increase your mileage, which I use on day-to-day basis, because this is my daily driver. And of course if you get around 18-19 mileage, it's bad. As a daily driver, my college is around 13 kilometers from my home, so using the tips and tricks I can get a good mileage. I mean, I can extract the best of this bike. So yeah, that will also be soon. It will be coming out soon. Also I'll be making a video on how to ride in traffic. That video also will be there, so you can subscribe to the channel. There'll be 2 videos a week. I'll try my best to upload 2 videos a week. So yeah, that's the plan. And now in city I get a decent average. I'll tell you the numbers at the end of the video, but yeah, I get a decent average. It should be around, yeah, I've done 2.2 kilometers, so yeah, I do get a decent average on highways. Yeah, highways I do get a good mileage. Like okay, let me tell you at least highway number. I get around 30 to 33 kilometers a liter. Yeah, so I just roamed around 20.9 kilometers, which will be 21 kilometers very soon. So we will be going and filling up fuel again, same till the brim, full tank. And as the rule says, you have to go to the same petrol pump, same nozzle. So I am again going to the same petrol pump, but I hope I get the same nozzle. And actually it has to be the same time, but obviously you can't do that. You have to go the next day, and I don't think I want to wait till next day to know what mileage I'm getting. So yeah, let's go fill her up and I can give you a number. So also one thing is, I regularly go to one petrol pump itself. That's the Indian Oil near my home. So I would suggest be consistent with one petrol pump. Don't keep going to different ones each time, because due to obvious reasons, we know adulteration, and also know which petrol pump is good around your area and go to it. Now in our area, this particular Indian Oil is good, everyone appreciates it, so I always come here and I've always got good mileage from here. And sometimes when I fill from a different place, suddenly I get a surge in mileage. Like suddenly there's 2-3 points more than what I get. Okay, so there's 2-3 points more in what I get. Sometimes happens, you can't say. I just hope the nozzle's open. Yes, it's open. फुल टैंक कर दीजिए. हाँ, ऑलरेडी फुल है, सिर्फ माइलेज निकालना है तो थोड़ा ही भरेगा. हाँ हाँ, थोड़ा ऊपर लीजिए. हाँ, पर माइलेज निकालने तो 1 लीटर का भरेगा. बस 1 मिनट और भरी बस. There's 0.85 less than a liter. And let's check how much is the odometer says. Let's open my calculator. 21. So let me just do the calculations. So it's 21 divided by 0.85. 85 equals to 24.7, so 24. So there's, you calculate the rough of up and down and all, so 24. Happy with the mileage. So yeah, as I said, it gives me around 23 to 24 kilometers per liter. Sometimes it drops down to 22. Today I've been riding it very peacefully. I didn't take her, I didn't redline her a lot, so that's why it has given me a good mileage. Sometimes my mileage drops to 21, but that's the lowest I've seen. So 21, 22, 23, 24, between this range it keeps fluctuating. Today gave me 24, tomorrow it might give me 23 also. It depends on how I ride the bike. Today I didn't ride in much traffic, but I rode it in traffic and a normal highway like this open road. So yeah, that's it. So that's the mileage of Continental GT650, 24 kilometers per liter. So 23 to 24 kilometers per liter.